Hi guys, so today is a decluttering and cleaning video for the new year, and I thought it'd be a great video to motivate you guys to do the same. I'm gonna start off by decluttering my mugs. I have a lot of mugs for no reason, and to be honest, sometimes we can't help ourselves if we see a really nice mug in a shop. But I felt like it was best to declutter them, and I keep my mugs in two cupboards in my kitchen. So I'm gonna declutter them in order to move it all to one cupboard, the big main cupboard. And obviously after decluttering, it meant that I had an extra shelf space in the smaller cupboard, and so I turned it into like a little area to store all like the cereal that can fit in there. Cereal and porridge basically. And as you can see, I ended up with 2 bags full of mugs and glasses, you guys. Now I'm moving on to my main kitchen cupboard. So this is where I store most of the food, and yeah, it just needed a clean. Like there was honey spilled all over it. I generally don't know how the honey got spilled, but it just needed a clean, you guys. Next, the fridge. Basically, yeah, the fridge always needs cleaning, but yeah, it's just it frustrated me, and I was like, you know what, she needs a clean. This basket is the medicine basket, and obviously it's very important to just go through the medicine basket or your medicine cabinet and just see like what medicine have expired, empty bottles. Like, it's a really important thing to do. Now, moving on to toys. Now, I just felt like obviously Christmas has come, and you know, it was time to just declutter toys that obviously the kids didn't use anymore, and make space for obviously the new toys that the kids received during Christmas time. So yeah, I think this is a really good idea to just go through some toys that your kids don't need anymore, and obviously donate it to other children that would definitely use it. And also I decided to organize the storage area where I store all the board games. As you can see, it is a mess. So yeah, I thought I'd just give it a good clean wipe down and just organize it. And lastly, I took my favourite fragrance, the Flora Fresh Linen, and put it in a bowl with some soap and warm water, and I felt like it was just time to clean all the doors and the staircase rail. It needed a clean, you guys. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna tell you afterwards, oh my goodness, I felt so happy, you guys. I felt so happy after I cleaned it, especially the stairrails. It looked different. It looked clean. It looked absolutely clean. So that was it, guys. That's my decluttering and cleaning video. I did specific areas because like these are the areas I rarely touch the most, and like I'm not gonna lie, they were irritating me. So I was like, let me just do them. And yeah, I feel like really happy and organized. I'm gonna do plenty more cleaning videos. I've got another one coming next week. So see you on my next video. Subscribe if you want to be motivated in cleaning, you guys. So bye guys.